sees is beautiful people. Beautiful people. Beautiful people. Beautiful people. Oh, don't you know? Don't you know? Oh, beautiful. Don't you know? Oh, don't you know? Don't you know?
Good morning. Today I'm going to make brown rice in my rice cooker. And so what I have is a few things that I want to show you. So hold on one second. Here I have a cup of brown rice and 2 cups of vegetable broth. And then I got a teaspoon of rice seasoning, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of chives, and a teaspoon of onion powder. Over here I have a half a teaspoon of turmeric, and then I got a tablespoon of rosemary, and then I've got a little bit of a 1/4 of a teaspoon of thyme. So we're going to mix all this together, we're just going to throw it all in our rice cooker. So I've thrown everything in the rice cooker, and I'm going to stir it a little bit here. And this is a brown rice, so I have a brown rice setting on my rice cooker. And you know, brown rice requires a little bit more liquid than does white rice, and it takes a little bit longer. So at the end, we're going to add some other things to this rice, and this will be a basis for a lot of dishes that we will have in the future. And we let it go. So I think our rice is ready, so let's take a look. So now I'm going to add Rotel tomatoes and a can of Great Northern beans to my rice. This is going to make it very hearty and a very nice dish for any side, or if you just want to eat it as a main dish. So I finished up, put it in my dish, and you can see I've added a few little sweet peas to it, and I topped it off with parsley. Looks so good. I can't wait to eat this. It's going to be very delicious. And as I said, makes a wonderful dish. And we'll do a few more things with the rice later in a different dish.